In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a connection on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn by typing in linkedin.com. Once you're on the main LinkedIn homepage, you'll need to log in. You can do this through various methods. Sign in with your Google or Microsoft account for a quick access, or if you prefer, use your email address combined with your password. For those of you who prioritize security, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity. Usually, they do this by sending a code directly to your phone, so keep your device handy to swiftly complete this verification step. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your personalized LinkedIn homepage. Take a moment to look at the navigation bar located at the top of your screen. Your next step is to click on the spot marked as My Network. This icon is generally positioned near the center of the navigation bar and serves as the place where you can manage and view all your connections, alongside managing other networking activities. Once you click on My Network, direct your focus to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a menu option labeled Connections. Click on this to reveal your full list of connections. This list encompasses everyone you're connected with on LinkedIn. Now, to find the specific person you wish to remove from your network, you might need to scroll or use the search function, especially if your network is extensive. Once you've successfully located the individual in question, hover your mouse over their name or profile. As you do this, you'll see a More icon appear, typically represented by three little dots that you'll usually find next to their name. Click on this More icon. Upon clicking it, a drop-down menu will present itself with a list of different options. Among the choices, you'll see one that reads Remove Connection. Click on this option. LinkedIn will then show a pop-up window prompting you to confirm your decision. It's a wise move to double-check that you're removing the correct person at this point. Once you're sure about your selection, go ahead and click on Remove in the confirmation pop-up. And just like that, you've successfully removed someone from your connections list. The person you chose to remove will no longer be part of your professional network. The good news here is they won't receive any notification about this action, allowing you to manage your LinkedIn connections discreetly. This process is simple and an effective way to ensure your professional relationships on LinkedIn reflect your current networking goals. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides like this.